Welcome to Harvesting Power Tech. Get ready for an exhilarating ride in today's video, as the mighty giants and immerse yourself in a symphony of sounds. The deep rumble of engines, the fierce crash of logs, and the sharp sound of saw blades cutting through wood. Imagine the excitement as you witness the Westech Woodcracker R900. Combine the power of a log harvester with the versatility of a swing boom crane. Its unique design excels with the F80 Rebout wood splitter with 80 tons of splitting force and razor-sharp blades. The roar of the engine and the sight of stubborn logs being split in the blink of an eye. Perfect for turning large logs into firewood ready for transport. With this machine, splitting wood is faster and easier than ever. It's amazing how the actuators can handle that load. They have insane skills and are true warriors. Oh, it's sharing my god. Leave one in the comments if our video surprised you. Your support fuels our creative fire. Watch this daredevil stunt as a worker uses a chainsaw to cut down a giant tree that's on fire. This is not a job for the faint of heart. The tension is palpable as he skillfully handles this dangerous situation. With each saw stroke, you can feel his determination and skill. I just happened to see this video and was really fascinated by the VM6OSR Forest machine, with its fast processing speed and superior cutting power, and versatility in handling large wood blocks and industrial waste. With its powerful motor, the VM6 OSR easily turns bulky wood blocks in two. Finely ground products in the blink of an eye, saving you time and effort. Watch as the John Deere 6-50R soars through the waves. Pulling heavy timber carts with ease, its powerful engine roars like a lion, tearing through the air and drawing all eyes to it. Its giant wheels are like claws, gripping the ground tightly, turning any challenge into a game. It's impressive to see the Stump's Shear 1270 with its powerful design and efficient stump handling. This machine cuts through stumps like a knife through butter. Saving you time and effort, it will change the way you look at logging. It's exciting, right guys? The driver's skills are really awesome and their nerves of steel are amazing. Not everyone can pull like that. You're standing in front of that tree and thinking, oh my gosh, this is a disaster waiting to happen. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but much scarier. Let's see what this brave guy is going to do with it. This road scene looks dangerous, even without such a heavy load. The truck was already carrying at least 12 tons of wood. My heart was pounding just watching this scene. I really hope everyone is safe. This is a stark reminder of the risks these drivers face every day. Wow. Look at the powerful roto-chopper B66T. Wood crusher with a capacity of up to 600 horsepower, which can quickly process large wood and industrial waste, turning them into finely ground products in just a few seconds. The powerful roar of the engine and the image of bulky wood blocks being crushed in the blink of an eye. Watch the timber truck glide smoothly over rough roads. With a slope greater than 30 degrees and a slippery, muddy road surface, do you have any tips to help him handle this muddy terrain with a powerful engine? The Mercedes 3836 is capable of transporting large, heavy timber blocks while still ensuring high performance. The design of the vehicle helps the driver easily control on difficult, muddy roads. Follow each step of this fascinating process. Giant logs are precisely cut, then sawn and processed into exquisite panels. The smooth sound of the saw blade gliding through. The wood blends with the hum of the machinery, creating a symphony of technology and nature. Deer 320D, your new favorite tool for stump removal. This machine makes quick work of stumps finishing. The job in just a few minutes, and guess what it's? I'm really impressed with this truck. Most trucks would sink in mud and water, but this one just got through it like it was nothing. I'm curious about the tires. They look like CRA tires. Maybe they are a custom design. Either way, they do the job. This truck is a testament to its toughness. Have you ever wanted to tackle giant trees? The portable chainsaw is the answer for you, with its powerful motor. It can tackle giant trees, turning them into logs easier than ever, ready to unleash your inner carpenter. Congratulations to the driver of the timber truck. He did an excellent job navigating the sharp turns in the forest. His professionalism and skill are truly admirable, showing patience and courage in difficult situations. I'm really impressed with Dipperfox Stump Crusher, a powerful and unique device in the logging industry using advanced technology. This device allows cutting and crushing tree stumps in just a few minutes, saving time and effort suitable for a variety of applications, from forest exploitation to tree treatment in urban areas, providing high flexibility for users. I couldn't help but wonder if this was a truck or a boat as it crossed the glacier like that. Wow. It's like transporting a small Navy ship through the icy Arctic Ocean. These shots are insane. Congratulations to the team for safely and efficiently controlling this monster. You guys are the heroes of the mining industry. This Bandit Beast 4680 is a beast. The industry's leading wood crusher with its powerful design and impressive motor. The Bandit Beast 4680 is capable of crushing all types of large wood. And waste materials in the blink of an eye. Its versatile features allow you to customize the grinding mode from fine to coarse, optimizing your workflow, saving time and minimizing waste. This machine turns unused wood chips into useful materials. Today, let's talk about the crazy log hauler track skidder 527. The powerful machine with outstanding power and the ability to pull heavy loads in difficult terrain conditions, the roaring sound of the engine ends. The sound of the wheels firmly gripping the ground create an attractive performance. With a durable design, friendly interface, and the ability to operate durably even in harsh conditions. This giant tree, a testament to the artistry of nature, has reached its final chapter, the dangerous giant. This is a titan that requires utmost caution. Witnessing its fall will be an unforgettable display of If you are looking for a stump grinder that is both durable and efficient, yet has a more compact design and is known for its stability and ease of control, especially in confined spaces, look no further. The Rayco RG8O stump grinder is a sensible choice that still has enough power to get the job done. Oh my god, that's cool. close. This shows that cutting down trees is not a simple task that anyone can do. The SawStop uses advanced technology to prevent injuries from table saws. It helps to cut down any giant monster.